Okay, we're going to do a brief video on Amazon stock analysis, and we're logged into rbamresearch.com. We're going to go over this chart here real quick and stick with me to the very end, and I'll show you how to get our algorithmically generated entry prices absolutely free. I'm going to show you those after we go over this chart. So if we take a look at this Amazon chart, this is a daily chart. It's got three moving averages on it, a 5, a 20, and a 200-day moving average. If we look at this chart, we can basically see that Amazon in the long term is in a bear market. And currently, the 5-day moving average is above the 20, so we're in a short-term bull market rally here. So we see it looks down here at the end of May. It's kind of looks like it may have put in a bottom, and we're getting a decent little rally. If you take a look at the distance between the 5-day moving average and the 20-day moving average, whenever you see a huge gap like this, that's an indication that you've got some strength in the rally, and you can see that here. When you get these more tighter interactions between these two, it's usually an indication that the rally is not that strong. So you're getting a decent move here. It looks like it's up 20 bucks from this 112 turn on the 20-day. This 20-day turn on the moving average can easily be a false turn, and if you examine quite a few of these things here, you can see these turns here. You can see the moving averages can really mess you up if you follow them strictly, and so you use these moving averages basically as a tool to keep you straight in the terms of the big terms. You can get rich with moving averages, especially a 5 and a 20 or 200. This is all in my opinion, but you have to know what you're doing, and it's an art. It takes years to learn it. It takes money to be able to capitalize on it, and you have to use wide stops. That's all in my opinion, but that's basically what I've determined after many decades of looking at it. They're excellent. Moving averages are excellent, but you have to know what you're doing. So again, looks like a bear market in this stock, and currently a bull market rally in an overall bear market. Now, I bring up the weaknesses of moving averages to show you what we've developed at rbamresearch.com. If we scroll down here to our sheets, this is an algorithmically outputted sheet for stocks. We have 3 columns here. This is a 1, 5, and a 20-day hold. You can see these at the top. And these are trading day holds, and we can go down here and get some entry prices for Amazon. So this is good for today only, the 6th of June. And these are reference prices. Obviously, you always want to back them up with your own research. But if you wanted to day trade the stock or trade it for one full day, this is indicating 24.05 and some change would be a good price to buy this Amazon stock for a one-day rally and make a few bucks. It's up a couple bucks today. So you want to take a look at that in terms of a short-term trade if you're interested in very short-term Amazon.com trading. If you want to take a look at a 5-day swing, you could go $24.21 and some change today. If the market hit that price, you would basically take a profit as soon as you got it, or worst case, close out at the end of the 5-day holding period. Same thing here. This is a 20-day holding period. If you wanted to do a 20-day swing, you could enter at 24.38, assuming your own independent analysis looks like a good idea. And if it did validate it, you could get in here at this price and expect to hold for 20 days. However, you would take a profit as soon as you got it. So basically, you get in. If you get a profit, you take it. If you do not get a profit, you close it out. Worst case, 1, 5, or 20 days, depending on the column you're using, and you take your loss. So that's basically how this works. We have 194 stocks on this page. We publish them every morning before 7 o'clock, Monday through Friday. You can get them all absolutely free, no credit card required, at rbamresearch.com. In addition to the 190 stocks, we cover the major forex pairs, both long and shorts, Bitcoin for cryptos, and the most liquid currencies. There's a link in the description below if you're interested in those prices. Again, 7 a.m. Just register and get them free, no credit card required. And let's see, if you like this video, please hit the like button. It helps us to keep putting these out if you hit the like button. Also, subscribe if you want to do that. Keep in mind, everything you see on our website, including the entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You definitely trade at your own risk. You should consult a financial advisor if you feel you need one. And again, you have to back up everything with your own independent analysis. You cannot use our prices blindly and just use them and attempt to make a profit. Again, rbamresearch.com, absolutely free, published every morning, Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. That's rbamresearch.com.